The next question here is, Mr. Thompson, looks like on February 19th, the prosecutor filed a petition asking to show cause. Now, basically alleging that there was some kind of bond violation. Particularly in this instance, the bond violation is that you allegedly failed to appear for a drug test on February 9th of 2025, and then February 16th, 2025.
And welcome to Facts or Frauds. Now let's head to Michigan to check up on Mr. Thompson in court.
The court takes up the case of People of the State of Michigan versus David Glenn Thompson, file 25-3579FH. The court recognizes before Mr. David Denhout, Missaukee County prosecutor here on behalf of the people. Mr. Robert Champion, the defense counsel in the case, has been in and out. I say defense counsel, actually he's only appointed as advisory counsel. And actually the defendant, Mr. David Glenn Thompson, has been representing himself in pro per. He has failed to appear today. The court therefore will issue a bench warrant for his arrest. Thank you. Oh, I'm sorry.
May I just inquire
regarding
the trial date, Your Honor? Was just the witnesses, does the court want me to leave? We are prepared. We've got all the witnesses. To my recollection, we've got them all served, ready to go. And I just wanted to. Yeah.
Let's leave it on.
Leave it on. Okay, thank you.
But please keep in mind, check back a week. Maybe he doesn't get arrested. If he doesn't get arrested, then we're going to have to adjourn it. So I'm going to give you a cutoff date. If he's not back a week prior to, then we'll adjourn the trial.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Many unbearable hours later.
Because the defendant failed to appear for a random alcohol test as ordered on or about April 16th and April 26th of this year. Mr. Thompson, that was a term or condition of your bond. That would be based upon the fact that the amended information involved controlled substances, so therefore the courts would have been concerned about substance use. You have the right to challenge those allegations, to say that no, you didn't, or yes, you did violate your bond. At the hearing, the prosecutor will present some evidence. It's not a full trial. He can present it through a witness. He can present it through a police report, or a report from the community corrections office, or you can make an admission. At the hearing, you can call witnesses if you choose, present evidence or testimony if you chose, or remain silent and have the right to not have silence used against you. The key here issue is if the court were to find you in violation of your bond, the court could continue it and just admonish you and wave his magic finger, or two, revoke it, remand you to custody of the jail, or three, modify it. I don't know how, but we could modify it. I kind of have an idea what I would do, but modifications such as enhanced outpatient treatment programming or something like that. Mr. Champion, how would your client wish to respond?
Your Honor, my client would admit that he missed the testing. He's not disputing that.
All right, thank you. Mr. Thompson, could you please raise your right hand for me, sir? Do you swear or affirm the information and testimony you're about to provide shall be the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Absolutely, yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. You may take a seat. Mr. Thompson, is it true that you failed to appear for testing on a couple of days?
To my knowledge, it was only one. If it was two, I humbly apologize. I do have extenuating circumstances regarding the May 3rd.
All right.
I have two half German Shepherd girl dogs. One was at Heaton.
Okay.
I let them out, and one of them was off. And I got a copy of the text messages. It took 3 days. I finally found her.
Okay.
I also would like to let the court know that 53 years ago today, I took my first breath.
Well, happy birthday.
Friday and Saturday, I had back-to-back urine tests, and be honest, Friday, I actually come to tears leaving. It's the first time in completely clean.
Good.
Sliding only.
So here's what the court's gonna do.
Plead no contesto that I'm getting back healing relationships. I talked that day, I had a
Here's what the court's gonna do, and I appreciate that. And Mr. Thompson, what I'm seeing from you today is what I expect, having seen you in another file. The court finds a defendant in violation of this bond. The court's gonna continue the bond. However, the court's gonna add to the bond enhanced outpatient treatment program through community corrections, which is actually operated by Catholic Human Services. The concern here that I obviously have is making sure that you have some kind of support system. All right, I take what the people do at Catholic Human Services very seriously, and I appreciate the services they're there to provide. So when you leave court, you're going to want to contact Community Corrections, which, as you know, is over in Cadillac in the Washford County Courthouse, and they'll set you up with an enhanced outpatient treatment program. Now, that phrase sounds really, really intense. I don't know how intense it really is, but it's enhanced outpatient. They'll set you up with some classes. It's not like it's 24 hours a day or even 8 hours a day or even every day, but they'll put you into a program. And again, the objective here isn't to punish you. It's just to help you in case you've got some substance use issues. Okay.
Your Honor, may I also ask, during sentencing, we had talked about cannabis use. And when I received the order,
What issues?
cannabis.
Oh, yeah.
On sentencing, that I was able to use it. When I got the order, it says I cannot.
It should say you cannot use it recreationally. If you have a medical card, nothing I can do can stop that prescription.
I understand that. I believe that was one of the things that was checked off, that I was allowed to use it. Now, when I met with the probation officer, did do an in-house visit, and I refrained in honor to.
Okay, hold on. Mr. Thompson, I'm not feeling well today. Take care of this with your probation officer. And if she needs to come and ask me to modify some paperwork, we'll do so.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
All right, thank you.
On this file today, we're adjourned. We'll take a recess. Thank you.
You can't fix stupid.
And thanks for hanging out with us on Facts or Frauds. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button, you're subscribed, and ring that bell. Also, leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think. And a major thank you to every one of our Facts or Frauds channel members. If you'd like to become a member, just hit that join button right next to subscribe or click on the link in the description. And if you're still hanging out, thank you. I appreciate you all. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, and ring that bell. Also, leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think. If you'd like to become a member, you can do that too. Till next time, I'll see you soon.